Welcome to my channel. Swim in the sea and have sharp teeth. In movies, I scare you. That's my feet. What am I? I am a shark. I am a shark. Have a long tail and I love to swing. In the treetops, I do my thing. What am I? I am a monkey. I am a monkey. I like to hop and jump all day. My long legs, I love to play. What am I? I am a kangaroo. I am a kangaroo. I'm big and gray, with a trunk for a nose. In the jungle, I love to doze. What am I? I am an elephant. I am an elephant. I can fly, but I'm not a plane. With colorful feathers, I'm easy to train. What am I? I am a parrot. I am a parrot. I have a shell. I'm not a snail. I can move very slowly without fail. What am I? I am a turtle. I am a turtle. I'm known for my wisdom, or so they say. I hoot at night and sleep all day. What am I? I am an owl. I am an owl. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.